Hello, welcome back to my channel, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia, and I'm back with yet another nail tutorial. I'm going in today with my single practice finger that I purchased from Iguana, and I'm just going in and going to do a quick acrylic nail and play around with how to apply some rhinestones. I'm not the best at doing rhinestones, so I decided to push myself outside of my comfort zone. So here goes, and without further ado, if you made it this far, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I'm new on my nail journey, pretty much. I'm starting all over, so I would really appreciate if you guys can just follow and drop some words of encouragement. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So today's video, again, like I said, I'm going in with my Iguana practice finger, and it comes with tips that automatically fit the finger. So what I did in the beginning was I just etched and took the smooth layer off of the nail tip, and now I'm just going in and gluing the tip on. I applied the tip, and then I went in and glued a tip from Amazon, so it's double tip. So I have the one that's slid in, so that way it's easily removed, and then I also have the nail tip that I applied on top, which are these nail tips that I'm showing here. So now I'm just going in with some not polished monomer, and I'm also using the neutralizer so that way my house doesn't smell like nail supplies. And I'm also going in with this acrylic that I just showed on the screen. This is in the shade called The Mood, and I thought this was a really cute, like, pinky peach nude color. So I'm just going to apply this all over the nail, and then I am going to go in and wait for that to dry, and then I'm going to shape it and do my thug dizzle. So if you guys can just watch what I'm doing, I will drop everything down below. It's nothing super intricate for this video. I'm just pretty much, I'm practicing my acrylic application. I don't know why I'm struggling to talk this morning. It's literally 7:30 in the morning. My allergies have been kicking my ass so far, but I'm just trying to get through. So I apologize if I'm messing up, but you guys know I like to just do my voiceovers one time, and if I mess up, it's just on there. So I'm gonna drop everything that I'm using down below, and then if you guys have any questions, which I'm pretty sure you probably won't, but if you have any questions, feel free to drop those, and then just enjoy me in my nail journey, just having fun doing a quick acrylic nail. And then I am going to go ahead and go in with some Maniology nail stampers while my nail was drying. I'm just going to play around with that and stamp my acrylic nails that I had on by double dip. I do have that video on here as well. And yeah, I'm just going to freestyle. This video is not too long, and I'll link everything I'm using down below, as well as all the discount codes that I have for you guys. I have been fortunate enough to receive several discount codes from so many nail companies, so I am appreciative to them for just sending me things and just believing in me as I'm starting my nail journey. That means a lot to me. But yeah, just enjoy the music, and I will be back shortly. This is one of the new nail plates that Maniology sent me. This is the Maniology times Kelly Marissa plate, and it's just like constellation / cloud theme, which I thought was super cute. So again, while my acrylic nail was just curing down and drying, I'm just going ahead and playing around with this, and I am using the black stamper polish that they also gave me in the kit, just using their nail scraper, making sure to clean everything off. And I'm just going to do 2 quick nails really fast, and then I'm just going to go in with some alcohol and clean off my nail stamping plate, and then continue to do my acrylic nail. This is kind of how my mind works. Sometimes I get sidetracked. Sometimes I like to just kill time. I like to keep going while I still have the motivation and momentum, and I feel like if I were to put the acrylic nail down and come back to it later, this video probably wouldn't have been up as soon as it was. So just enjoy me having fun. And I thought this little pineapple grabber tool was so cute, because I can literally use this, and it's perfect for if you're trying to do your nails without messing up your polish. If you have acetone or anything on there like that, you literally just use the grabber, and that way you can avoid messing up your manicure. So here I'm just showing you guys how to use that, and then we'll get right back into the nail tutorial. So now I'm just hand filing. I'm using my 180 to 100 nail grit, and I'm just going in and shaping the nail, cleaning up those edges and making sure that everything is nice and smooth and filed down, so that way it's not too bulky, so that way when I go in with my nail art brushes to start doing my I don't know if that's like a French manicure or whatever it's called, but when I start going in my French manicure, I just want to make sure the shape is nice and crisp, and that way when I apply my bling on top, everything is nice and neat. So I'm not the best at doing French tips. I realized that, so I just went in twice actually. I went in the first time, and before I cure it, I just make sure everything looks nice. If it looks good, then I cure it. If not, then I just wipe it off and start over. So this was literally my second attempt, and I just kind of started off with a V shape, and then I'm going to connect it in the middle, and then I am going to go in with that Maniology nail brush, and then just go ahead and fill the rest of the black in. But I was just trying to get my general shape in, and then I'm just going to clean it up as I go. Once I'm done this, I'm going to go in with the Top Coat by Kiara Sky, and then I'm just going to go in with my Red Iguana gem gel and apply these gems that I got off of Amazon. So again, continue to watch my video and let me know down below if you like my end result once I finish. Thank you guys again so much for watching and so much for being patient with me. I know I've been coming out with different types of content, but literally nails is like my new hobby. Of course, I always will have a first love doing hair, but I'm just happy to bring you guys a lot more nail content as well as hair coloring videos. I've ordered so many mannequins, and I just reset up my my house so that way I have a lot more options to give you guys when it comes to hair coloring and just doing fun hair videos. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and if you have not already, make sure to follow your girl on Instagram at _Cassandra I'm going to hop off of here for now, but again, I will link everything down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. I hope everybody has a wonderful and productive day and week, and let's get this money.